Okay, so the next type of problem that you might see, that you will see, sorry, is where you're given the graph of a parabola, or the graph, which is the graph of a quadratic function, and you're asked to match it to the correct standard form of a quadratic expression. So the standard form is probably what you should know first is for for a function, for a quadratic function, is f of x is equal to, sorry, pen has been a little off lately. So it's f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, and there's some key features of this equation that will help you determine what the best match is. So first, the a value. So the a value determines direction. So a positive a value would mean the graph opens upwards, and a negative value would indicate that the graph opens downwards. Okay. The c value determines the y-intercept. So you can use these two pieces of information to correctly match. All right, so let's look at the problem. So we can clearly see that this is opening upwards. So I would eliminate any answer choice that has a negative a value. So this choice here has a negative a value, so I'll get rid of that. And this one here has a negative 3, so that's not correct either. Now we're between two choices, y equals 3x squared minus x minus 3.1, and y equals 3x squared minus x minus 3. So in order to determine what the solution is, I'm going to look at the y-intercept. So in this case, the y-intercept is roughly, I would say it's about exactly negative 3. It's could potentially be a little bit less, but I would say it's just about negative 3. I would say it's definitely not going beyond this line here. So it can't be negative 3.1. I would say it has to be negative 3. Let's check our work. And that is correct. Great. So now let's look at another problem. Let's look at one more together. So maybe one other one. Maybe one that opens downwards. Not going to give you one here either. Try one more. Here we go. Okay. So this one opens downwards. So therefore we know that the a value should be negative. So I can eliminate any answer choice with a positive a value. So answer choice 1 has a positive a value of positive 0.3, and answer choice 4 also has a positive a value of 0.3 as well. So it's going to be between these two. Again, we're going to have to determine using the y-intercept. So we can see very clearly on this one, this is a pretty clear problem, that the y-intercept is negative 7 for sure. So we need to look for the one with the c value of negative 7, and that is answer choice 3, which is right here. Negative 0.3x squared plus x minus 7.